In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create filters in Insightly. By the end, you'll have a clean, focused list view that shows exactly the contacts you care about without digging through clutter. We'll start from the main dashboard, create a dedicated list view, and then build a precise filter so your results stay consistent every time you open it. First, open Insightly and head to the Contacts area. This is where your list views live and where filters have the biggest impact, especially if you're segmenting people by region, life cycle stage, or any custom field your team relies on. Next, look for the three-dot menu near the list controls. That menu holds the settings for managing views. Click it, then choose Add New List View. Creating a separate view is a best practice because it keeps your filters organized and reusable, and it prevents accidental changes to any default or team-wide lists. Give your new view a clear, descriptive name. Think about how you or a teammate will find it later. Something like West Coast Prospects or Active Customers Renewals Q3 makes it obvious what the view contains and why it exists. You'll now be in the list view editor. Before you move on, decide who should be allowed to change this view. If you want to protect it from accidental edits, enable the option that restricts editing to the owner and administrators. This keeps your criteria stable, even if multiple people use the view. Click Save List View to lock in the name and permissions. Saving here creates the container for your filters and ensures your upcoming changes are tied to this view. Now open the filter panel by clicking the filter icon. This is where you define exactly which contacts should appear. Choose Add a Filter row to start building your criteria. Select the field you want to filter by. This could be something like status, organization, owner, a custom dropdown, or a date field. Pick one that matches the segment you're targeting. Choose an operator that fits your goal. For example, equals is great for exact matches, contains works well for partial text, and is empty or is not empty helps with data completeness checks. Matching your operator to the field type avoids confusing results. Enter the value you want to match and then click the plus icon to add the filter to your view. You'll see your contacts update to reflect the criteria. Repeat the same. Add a filter row process if you need additional conditions and review the results to confirm they look right. That's it. Your filtered list view is ready for consistent, focused work.